What's going on, everybody? Noah from Stage 3 Motorsports here, and today I'm going to show you how quick and easy it is to remove the factory fender flares on your 2021 Bronco. Moving inside of the front fender flare, you're going to have 5 of these tabs that you need to pull back on, and they'll just rotate out and we'll work our way around. With all the tabs turned underneath, I like to start at the front of the fender and pull it out, then pop the center, and then pop the back, and the whole thing comes free just like that. The rear fender is going to be the same story as the front, so I'm going to pop those 5 tabs and then we can pull this thing off. There we go.